Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Sounds of the Valley. Once again, I'm Evan Klamar, and I'm here with our wonderful guest artist, Andie Wyne.
Hi, guys.
So, now we can get on to the interview portion. It's all right. Don't feel intimidated by me, even though, honestly, I am very intimidating.
I'm terrified.
First off, so Andie, how long have you been playing music?
How long have I been playing music? I've been playing music since I was about 6. Okay, not actually. I started taking piano lessons when I was little, but I've been writing songs and doing my own expression of music since I was like a mid-teenager, and now that I've been doing it for a couple of years, I really feel like I'm starting to get into the meat and potatoes of it.
Yeah, getting into your wonder years.
Maybe.
I don't know if that's quite the word. More like the your wacky era. And by wacky, of course, I mean wacky great in songwriting. Moving on.
Thank you so much.
So you did play guitar for us tonight, but you did mention earlier being more of a multi-instrumentalist. What else do you play besides guitar?
I play guitar. I play cello. I played that like for a while, and I do like studio work. I play piano. I sing and stuff, and I don't play any like crazy instruments, but I play uke and I play bass a little bit.
So that's some good variety. You got all the string families covered.
Yeah.
Do you consider guitar your main instrument?
Guitar a band instrument?
Your main instrument.
Oh, my main instrument. Yeah, I would say at this point, yeah. Yeah.
That's fair. It is the one you write songs for, I assume.
Yeah. It's a really good instrument for expression. Like it's a very expressive instrument. Like I feel like I can express my music through it. So that's why it's the instrument I use for writing music.
Right. I definitely did get a lot of that expression during your set, so came through very well.
Thanks.
So you do play your own original compositions. Is there a typical process that you use for writing new songs?
Yeah, there is. Well, kind of. I sit like every time I write a song, I think it's gonna be the last song that I'll ever write. I never really quite know when the next one is gonna show up, but when it does, it kind of pours out of me in a very, not violent, but just in one go kind of thing. And oftentimes, like, I don't even know the full meaning of a song before I write it. I only like after reflecting and like listening to myself I don't know, introspecting on it, then I can kind of understand the meaning of a song more.
That's fair.
Yeah.
I feel like treating every song like it's your last would be a good life lesson at large, you know? Plus, that way, every song that you make could be a good closer.
Thank you. Yeah, that's true.
So, specifically for this set tonight, is there a reason that you chose the songs that you did? Do you feel like they're a good showcase of your technical ability or your songwriting style?
I definitely chose a variety of. It's like mostly my pieces. I played a cover, but most of the songs that I chose, they're newer ones for me. So, that's always exciting. I like that freshness, that feeling of. I like to play my old stuff. But when a song is fresh and I'm actually feeling it, I feel like I want to bring that to the table. So I brought my new ones, and I brought ones that, definitely showcase my the variety of types of music that I enjoy to listen to and play, as well as like. My lyricism, and I wanted to bring some like spiritual, emotional music to the table today.
Right.
Yeah.
Well, if that was your intent, I must say you did it beautifully.
Thank you.
You had a great set tonight. Building off of what you said earlier, based on what you listen to mostly, are there any artists that you would consider major influences on how you play or how you write?
There are a couple, yeah. A couple that come to mind. I played her a cover of her piece is Adrienne Lenker. She's fantastic. Literally go watch her stuff. She's incredible. Billy Martin, I'm gonna go see her in concert. I'm excited about that. Also like Shaky Graves, just all kinds of acoustic, like strong acoustic music that is like powerful with lyrics and yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, good time. And it's great that you get to see one of them live soon. I mean, live music is always a treat, and if it's someone who you consider kind of a role model in your playing, that's got to make it even better.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm so excited. She just released her new album, Drop Cherries. It's out. I love it so much. It's so fantastic. Yeah.
Yeah, good to hear. So we did go over this already, but if there are any last minute plugs that you'd like to make.
Well, I'm making music. I'm making music. I am playing music. If you want to find more of me, go follow me on Instagram. I am giving updates there constantly on like things that I'm doing and things that will be releasing soon. Hopefully within this next year, I'll be coming out with a new album. But I'm releasing an EP right now, and it's really exciting. I'm very excited. It's called 10:04 Timeless.
Very good stuff. Well, Andie, I think that's all we had for you, but it's been great having you on the show. And yeah. I was going somewhere with that.
Yeah.
But
it's okay. You're leaving him in mystery, right?
Right. Yeah. The suspense always helps. But either way, thank you so much for coming on the show. And tell your friends.
For sure, I will. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, of course. Well,
okay.
In that case, everyone watching at home, thank you very much for tuning in to this week's Sounds of the Valley, and I hope you have a great night.
All right, we're back. Okay, let's get back into it, guys. What are we playing? Oh, this is another one of mine. I wrote this song just sitting, like I was on a bike ride and I rode down to like Phoenix Park area, and yeah, I was sitting by the river watching like people and dogs pass by, and it was super sunny and like perfect weather, and I just sat there and I wrote this song. And yeah, it's called In Time. I've had my eye on you for a while. I've been away for 3 years and 2 days. In 6 months I'll be back for good, for you. Honey, I just hope that you're there to say those words again and again. But if you run away with another, that's something I'll have to discover in time, in time, in time. Do you believe in the one, only one burden to think while we sit under the sun? It'll be fun, that's what she said. But have you stayed under my bed, inside my goddamn head? Honey, I just hope that you're there to say those words again and again. But if you run away for another life, that's something I'll have to reconcile in time. In time, in time, I'm in time, in time. All right. Here's this last one. I love this song. This is my most recent song. And so I feel it the most when this one, it's called Try Again. Take it gentle, take it slow. Like a kettle on the stove. Sinking up and falling out. You're always here, you're always around. I was the winter, so unpredictable. But I am teaching myself to let her go. Always changing my secrets out. Don't worry, honey, I won't let you down. Won't let you down, no. 'Cause life's not easy when you're living it halfway. I've seen right and wrong, but that don't mean I won't make my mistakes. I know I'm strong, but I have my weak links. Have my weak links. Barefoot on the grass, always back to what you said. I love you, I love you, I love you, baby. Try again. Oh, thanks, guys.
That was absolutely wonderful. Thank you so much, Andie. Evan, do you have any thoughts on how Andie did tonight?
I think it sounded great. I
Yeah.
think it was wonderful having you on the show, and you played some great songs for us. Thank you.
Yeah, I really dig the style and the lyricism, and especially the different the variety that you brought with us tonight. Andie, where can people find you and your music, things like that?
Yeah. You can find me on my Instagram. It's Andie Wyne Music. Um, or or you can find me on your like favorite streaming platform at Andie Wyne, AndieWyne. Yeah.
Nice. Do you have any shows or things that you'd like to plug right now, or?
I do. Yeah, I have a show. I have a show coming up June 7th. I'm playing at Shift Cyclery at 7 p.m. I'm very excited about that. I'm playing in kind of a band with Hannah Fleur and some other amazing musicians. So check her out at the Plus next Saturday, the 13th. Yeah.
Awesome.
Excellent.
And then finally, are there any new releases or things that people should have on their radars for you?
Sure. Yeah, I've been releasing some songs, but I have an EP coming out actually this week. So go ahead and check that out. It's featuring none of the songs that I've performed today. So all new stuff there. Yeah.
Well, that's awesome too. That people have a wonderful amount of variety to have. Well, then, I guess for all of us in the studio, I've been Nathan Blaser. Tonight, fun fact, has been my last show as host of Sounds of the Valley, and it has been my utmost pleasure to have been your host for the past 4 years. Evan, why don't you take the good people home?
I'll do just that. I hope you enjoyed tonight's set for Sounds of the Valley, and have a great night.